Hello everybody, welcome to day 2 of our RARP. This week we are reading the book Rabbits Big Day. Let's have a look at our steps to success. So step 1, I can use eagle eye, chunky monkey and stretchy snake. Eagle eye is when we look at the picture, look at the word, what does it begin with? We try and find that in the picture. Chunky monkey, we break up the word into smaller chunks that we already know and then we put them back together again. And stretchy snake, we stretch out the word really long, listening carefully to all the sounds. So that's step number 1. Step number 2, I can read or listen to the story 3 times. So if you can't read it, don't worry, you need to listen to Miss Megan reading the story 3 times. When you've listened to the story 3 times, you go to the next step. I can find the answer in the text. So when we go to our Kahoot quiz, we look for the answer in the book. The answer will always be in the book. Then the next step is I can answer the question. Okay, so I can use the strategies. I can read or listen 3 times. I can find the answer and then I answer it. So today we're going to be using eagle eye, stretchy snake, and chunky monkey. Okay, chunky monkey is going to help us first. I'm going to go and then it's your turn. My turn, your turn. Okay, so we're going to use chunky monkey. This is the word we need to read. Now, I'm not sure what it is when it's together, but maybe I'll use chunky monkey to split it up. So let's take this part of the word. Ilk. Ilk. Milk. There's a picture there to help you. Milk. Okay, so I know the first part of the word is milk. Let's have a look at the second part. Man. Man. Okay, so first part, milk. Second part, man. Milk, man. Milk, man. Can you do that? Let's do that with me. Milk, man. Milk, man. Can you put it together? Milkman. This is a milkman. Ron Rabbit has a new job. He is a milkman. Yes, he is. Fantastic. Eagle eye is going to help us next. So this is the word. Let's have a look at the first sound. Can you tell me what that sound is? B. B, B, B. So I'm going to look. I'm going to use my eagle eyes. Look in the picture. What can I see in the picture that begins with B? Okay, there's the rabbit. Rabbit doesn't begin with B. There's the door. No, that doesn't begin with B. What about this? This is a bottle. B, B, bottle. Does that begin with B? Yeah, it does. So let's have a look. B, B, bottle. Is that right? What do you think? Yes. B, B, bottle. All right. And the last one, stretchy snake's going to help us. So Miss Megan's turn, then your turn. Ease. I'm going to try that again. Ease. Let's say it all together. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Ease. Can we put it together? Sees. Sees. When he sees a man. Sees. Is what you can see. What can you find with your eyes? See. Ron sees the man. I can see my computer. Sees. All right. It's now time to read Ron Rabbit's Big Day. So I'm going to read the story once. When it's finished, you need to rewind and listen to it again because you need to listen to the story 3 times before you do the questions. Okay, Miss Megan's going to read it now. Ron Rabbit's Big Day. Ron Rabbit has a new job. He is a milkman. Ron has to get up at 6. The sun is not up yet. Ron fills his van with milk. Then he sets off. Mrs. Jessup needs 1 bottle of milk. Ron dumps it on the step. 2 bottles for Miss Quinn. 3 bottles for Mr. Chang. Mr. and Mrs. Preston have 10 children. They need 10 bottles of milk. Ron is getting the bottles from his van when he sees a man. The man is creeping along. Is it Mr. Preston? No, this man is not as thin and he has a big black sack on his back. When the man sees Ron, he runs. Stop, yells Ron. He runs after the man. Ron trips the man up. The man drops the sack and Ron grabs it. The man runs off. In the sack are lots of things. A clock, a pink jug, a big cup, a green lamp, and a cash box. Ron rings the bell. Mrs. Preston is cross. I was asleep, Ron, she says. But then she sees all the things and Ron tells her about the bad man. Thank you, Ron, says Mrs. Preston. Mr. Preston rings the cops. The cops catch the bad man. Ron gets a medal. Fantastic listening, boys and girls. So, like I said, I want you to rewind the story and listen to it 2 more times, so you have listened to it 3 times in total, okay? When you have done that, it's time for our quiz. The quiz is called Ron Rabbits Big Day RARP Day 2. Like I showed you yesterday, I want you to read the questions 3 times. So, I'm going to show you what the quiz will look like. I've entered my name. Let's have a look. Okay, the first question is, what is Ron Rabbit's new job? Let's read it 2 more times. What is Ron Rabbit's new job? What is Ron Rabbit's new job? Okay, let's have a look. Maybe the picture will give us a clue. He doesn't look like a doctor, so I know that's not his new job. Are there any clues? What's he holding in his hand? Milk. Let's see if I can find anything that says the word milk. Milkman. That's his new job. So when I found the answer in the text, I'm going to type in here, milkman, and I'm going to press submit. Did I get it right? I did. I got it right. Fantastic. So make sure you are reading the book 3 times, reading the question 3 times, okay? I would love to see some videos of your fantastic reading or some videos of you following along with my reading, just with your finger. That would be great. And make sure you send me a picture of your fantastic quizzes once you've finished, okay? Thanks for listening really hard, boys and girls, and I will speak to you again tomorrow.